Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is KOJO BESTDAN, and on this channel I teach about cryptocurrency, and also I show you how you can own cryptocurrencies for free by participating in cryptocurrency airdrops. So maybe you don't know cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is one of them, and in 2013 Bitcoin was just $13. Okay, just a little over $13 in 2013, and today we are in 2024 and Bitcoin is around $68,000. Yes, it even got to $70,000, but as at the making of this video, the price has dropped. So Bitcoin is now $68,000 from $13 in 2013 to $68,000 in 2014. I am from Ghana, and $1 to Ghana cedi in 2013 was just 2 cedis. So if you have 2 Ghana cedis in 2013, that means you have $1. So in order for you to buy 1 Bitcoin in 2013, you will need just 26 cedis. So let me say 30 cedis. So with 30 cedis in 2013, you could have owned 1 Bitcoin, and that 1 Bitcoin today, that's 1 million Ghana cedis. It's even more than that. It's over 1 million Ghana cedis. So if you had bought 1 Bitcoin in 2013 and hold until 2024, that $13 has now turned into $68,000. That's 30 cedis to 1 million Ghana cedis. You will not get this opportunity anywhere, only in the crypto space. So if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, start from today. Do research about it, because at first I learned cryptocurrency is a scam, is this, is that, until I started researching about it. It's far from what you know, but you have to do your own research, okay, so that you can understand the whole crypto concept better, so that when you are investing, you know what you are investing in. So do not let somebody sit somewhere and say, give me money and I will invest it in crypto, and in the next day, in the next week, in the next month, you will get this profit, you get that profit. No, learn about it. It is something you can do. Anyone can do. You just have to learn about it. And that's what I teach here on this channel. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrency, just subscribe to this channel. And also, you can check the description of this video. I have a link to my WhatsApp group in the description of this video. You can just join and you can participate in crypto airdrops, which will enable you to earn cryptocurrencies for free without investing nothing. You only have to invest your time, your attention, and your data bundle. So that's all for this video. Start learning about cryptocurrency. You are still early on it. You are not late at all. Cryptocurrency is evolving. So please join now. Join now before it's too late.